Today we will discuss about the difference between the transverse wave and longitudinal waves. Transverse waves are the waves where particles are doing vibration and in particular direction, and the wave is propagating in its perpendicular direction. For example, like particles are vibrating in y direction and wave is traveling in the x direction, then such kind of waves are called as transverse wave. We can understand it with the help of a diagram. In case of transverse wave, crest and troughs are formed. Suppose this is a particle which is vibrating, and when it started its vibration, after 1 microsecond second particle started its vibration, and after 1 microsecond third particle started its vibration, and so on. So suppose this particle has completed its one vibration. So this particle has completed 3/4, this has completed half, this has completed 1/4, and now the disturbance will reach here. Means whenever this particle has completed its one vibration, then this particle will start doing vibration. So obviously there is phase difference between the particles. Phase difference between these two particles will be of 360 degree. Suppose this particle has completed 10 vibrations, this particle will complete 9 vibrations. There is phase difference of 360 degree between the two particles. Now this difference, as this has completed its one vibration, this has completed 3/4 vibration, there is phase difference of 90 degree. Here phase difference of 180 degree. Here phase difference is of 270 degree, and here the phase difference is 360 degree. So in such kind of wave, such phase difference is present between the vibration of particles. Suppose, okay, now in this kind of waves, crest and troughs are formed. This part is called as crust, and this is called as trough. Distance between two consecutive crusts is lambda. Distance between two consecutive trough is lambda. Distance between consecutive crust and trough is lambda by 2. ओके, ये तो एक समझने के लिए था. या हम ऐसे भी कह सकते हैं कि जब इस पार्टिकल ने अपना एक वन वाइब्रेशन कंप्लीट करा, तब डिस्टर्बेंस ने यहां से यहां तक पहुंच गया. When this particle has completed its one vibration, the distance covered by the wave is lambda. ये डिस्टेंस भी क्या है? लैम्डा. सपोज वेव ने लैम्डा डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल करा कैपिटल टी टाइम में, तो स्पीड ऑफ वेव हम निकाल सकते हैं. स्पीड का फॉर्मूला होता है डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम. डिस्टेंस इज द लैम्डा इज द डिस्टेंस covered by the wave in capital T time, so we can write n lambda, which is equals to the speed of wave. So such kind of waves, transverse waves, are seen in the substances where there is rigidity, like ropes में, string में आपको transverse wave दिखाई देती हैं. अब है longitudinal waves. Longitudinal waves में जो है particles of medium vibrate back and forth, यानी वो एक बार पुश करते हैं, पास में आ जाते हैं और फिर वापस दूर चले जाते हैं. जब वो मीडियम के पार्टिकल्स बहुत पास में होते हैं, फिर वो दूर हो जाते हैं, फिर बाद में वापस पास में आते हैं और फिर दूर हो जाते हैं. तो एक्चुअली दे आर नॉट लीविंग देयर प्लेस, they are simply doing vibration motion on their own places, but they are passing this energy to the nearby particle and then to the nearby particle and so on. So wave is traveling in this direction, the particles are also vibrating in the same direction. When they are pushing each other, when they come close to each other, then such kind of region which is formed is called as compression. And when they are far apart from each other, then this is called as rarefaction. This compression and rarefaction occurs alternatively, and in this way the disturbance is जो है traveling in one particular direction. So अगर मैं बात करूं compression और एक compression के बीच में जो distance होता है वो होता है lambda. एक rarefaction और दूसरे rarefaction के बीच में भी distance होता है lambda. So we can write distance between the two consecutive compression is lambda, distance between two consecutive rarefaction is lambda, and the distance between consecutive compression and rarefaction is lambda by 2. जब पार्टिकल्स बहुत पास में आ जाते हैं यहाँ पर प्रेशर इंक्रीज हो जाता है और डेंसिटी भी इंक्रीज हो जाती है. जब पार्टिकल्स दूर होते हैं तो इस कंडीशन में प्रेशर भी डिक्रीज होता है और डेंसिटी भी डिक्रीज हो जाती है. तो इस तरीके की वेव्स को हम कहते हैं प्रेशर वेव्स. सच वेव्स आर सीन कैन बी सीन इन सॉलिड्स, लिक्विड्स एज वेल एज द गैसेस.